Hi guys, so I came to Boss Hotel. Yeah. So I'm going to enjoy an affordable luxury. I really don't know. Oh, let's put this.
That's interesting.
It's more co-op. Led by the only tech man in the house over there. If not, we'll be in darkness. Hi, good morning guys. So this is day 2 of my stay in this hotel. I just want to give you guys a tour of the bathroom. So we have a towel for those of us that I can forget that we need towels. So towel is a necessity. So if you like sharing using towels, I don't know if it's clean enough, then just get yours when you're coming. But actually the towels and neat, I've already used it. So it's there. So you see. So we have warmer. So in case you like your bath hot or cold, you can regulate it. Just be careful so that you don't like use the very hot one. As if you want to peel off a chicken or something. Then you have a sink. It's always messy. I've already used it this morning. Then the shower. So they have 2 options of shower, this type, or you can just use the removable shower. Depends on you really. So that's it. And they give it a little bit of small bar soap. Soap is quite small, you know. So if you can just come with your own soap. Soap is really small, or it's not really going to be enough. And this room is supposed to contain like 3 guests. So how would that soap go around for all of you? Just come here. So we're giving breakfast. Complimentary breakfast comes with our room for all guests. I think for all guests, not I think for all guests has to take one dish. This is toast bread, 2 slices of toast bread, fried egg beside it. The egg looks beautiful. Then Lipton tea, 2 cubes of sugar and milk. So normally my own room, this room is supposed to be like 3 guests. Sorry, there's power, no lights. They are working on their generator. So normally we're supposed to have like 3 guests in my room where I'm staying currently, but they gave us 1 food. So if obviously this cannot fill all of us, so we have to order more if we want food, or we'll go home and eat. So guys, we are finished I'm about to check out, so I'm done. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Join the family, okay? Because we are family over here. So I know we left in this bit of a mess, but we're going. Bye. Junior. This guy picking. It was a one short break. See you.